What if I told you that making your first $100 online is easier than ever before? And you can do it from home using just free AI tools? Sounds too good to be true, right? But with the rise of artificial intelligence in 2025, this is no longer a dream. Whether you're a student looking to make extra cash, someone stuck in a 9-to-5, or just curious about side hustles, you now have the power to make money online without needing special skills, equipment, or experience. Thanks to AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva, 11 Labs, and others, you can start a profitable side hustle today with zero investment. And in this video, we'll show you exactly how to make your first $100 using AI, step by step. Let's start with one of the easiest options, content writing. Businesses, bloggers, and influencers need tons of content every single day. From Instagram captions to blog posts to YouTube scripts, written content is in high demand. The best part? You don't need to be a professional writer. Tools like ChatGPT can generate high-quality articles in seconds. You simply give it a prompt, such as write a blog post on how to save money fast, and within moments, you'll have a well-structured draft. With some minor editing and personalization, you can turn that into a professional piece of work. Freelancers on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork earn anywhere between $20 to $50 per blog post. That means just 2 to 5 jobs, and you've earned your first $100. It's quick, simple, and perfect for beginners who want to dip their toes into the world of freelancing. Now, let's talk about voiceovers. You may have seen those faceless TikTok or YouTube videos with a nice, clear voice explaining something interesting. Well, not all of them are recorded by real people anymore. Tools like 11 Labs and Play. Let you convert text into natural-sounding voiceovers in minutes. Even if you hate your own voice or don't have a mic, you can still offer voiceover services to clients. Combine ChatGPT for writing scripts and 11 Labs to turn them into voice clips, and boom, you've got a complete service. These kinds of voiceovers are used for short ads, narration, explainer videos, and more. A 1-minute voiceover can easily earn you $30 to $50, depending on the quality and how fast you deliver it. That's just 2 or 3 small gigs to hit your $100 goal. If visuals are more your thing, then AI-powered graphic design is another great option. Gone are the days when you needed Photoshop or years of training to make stunning designs. With Canva and Looka, even total beginners can create logos, YouTube thumbnails, and social media posts that look professional. For example, Canva gives you templates and drag-and-drop features to build anything in just a few minutes. You can offer services like YouTube thumbnail design or Instagram post templates for $10 to $25 each. Many small businesses and YouTubers are willing to pay for quick, eye-catching designs. Just 4 or 5 design gigs, and you're already over the $100 mark. Plus, the learning curve is super low, and you can find clients on Fiverr, Instagram, or even in Facebook groups. Now, let's say you're someone who prefers passive income, where you work once and get paid again and again. This is where AI can help you create and sell digital products. You don't need to be an expert to write a short ebook or guide. Just pick a topic, maybe something like how to budget as a student or 10 AI tools for productivity, and ask ChatGPT to write it. Once the text is ready, you use Canva to design it and turn it into a downloadable PDF. Platforms like Gumroad or Etsy allow you to list your digital product and start selling it. Even if you price it at $5 per download, just 20 people buying your product gets you to $100. Promote it using Pinterest, TikTok, Reddit, or through your own content. This method takes a bit more effort upfront, but can become a source of income that keeps working for you long after the product is finished. If you're thinking long-term and want to build something that keeps growing, then starting a faceless content channel is one of the best AI side hustles out there. You don't need to show your face, speak on camera, or even buy expensive gear. The idea is simple: create short, engaging videos using AI tools. You've probably already seen these kinds of videos on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels. They usually have B-roll footage in the background with a voiceover explaining interesting topics like top 5 ways to make money online or habits of rich people. These videos are super popular, and the best part is that AI can do most of the work for you. First, use ChatGPT to write a script based on your topic. Then, turn that script into a natural-sounding voiceover using 11 Labs. After that, use a tool like Pictory or InVideo to add video clips, music, and text to create a complete video. You can make a whole video in under an hour once you get used to the process. Posting 2 to 3 videos per week is enough to start growing your channel. You don't need to go viral. Even small, consistent views can help you make money. You can earn in different ways. Add affiliate links to your video description for tools like Canva Pro or ChatGPT. And when viewers click and buy, you get a commission. As your channel grows, you can also earn from YouTube ads or brand deals. Many people start with zero experience and hit their first $100 after a few weeks. It might take a bit longer than other side hustles, but once it starts growing, it has massive earning potential, and you're building a real digital asset. The biggest mistake people make is overthinking or waiting for the right time. But the truth is, AI makes it easier than ever to start now. Pick one side hustle that feels right for you, stick with it for just 1 week, and stay consistent. You'll learn along the way, gain confidence, and get better with each project. AI isn't here to replace you. It's here to assist you, to save you time, and to make side hustles more accessible than ever. You don't need to be a tech expert. You just need the willingness to start. So, whether you choose writing, voiceovers, design, digital products, or video content, the tools are already here, and the opportunities are real. Your first $100 is closer than you think. Let me know in the comments which AI hustle you're excited to try first. And if you want a full tutorial on creating and selling your first AI ebook or designing thumbnails with Canva, just check the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell, because in the next video, we're going even deeper into how AI can help you build real online income.